My name is Jose Javier Rodriguez. This is my friend. He wants to prepare lasagna for his couple. He has a list of ingredients that he needs to buy, but he doesn't know supermarket, butcher shop, and greengrocer at local. I'll give him instructions together. He is at the corner on Raymond Avenue and Brigham Boulevard. Go straight on Brigham Boulevard and at the corner of Arroyo, turn, turn right. Then go straight and on the corner, go past Linda Lane Street is Butcher Shop. Then at the corner of Linda Lane and Malinda Road, turn left. Go straight ahead on Malinda Road and on the corner of Shore Drive, turn right, and right is the greengrocer. Finally, on the corner of Shore Drive and Raymond Avenue, turn right. Go straight and at the corner on the opposite supermarket is located. It's very big. Ingredients: a package of 500 grams of lasagna, oil, half onion, fresh tomatoes, 2 laurel leaves, 1 half basil leaves, 300 milliliters of milk, half spoon of flour, half spoon of butter, 125 grams of mozzarella cheese, 40 grams of grated cheese, and 500 grams of ground meat. Steps: first, bolognese sauce. Chop the onion and add it in a pan with previously preheated oil. We cook the onion for a few minutes, add the ground meat, and finally add the tomato cubes, the basil leaves, and the laurel leaves. Second, we finish cooking over low heat. Third, we melt the butter in a saucepan over low heat. Once melted, add the flour and mix until there are no lumps. Let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes and lower the heat. Fourth, we add a little hot milk and with a whisk we mix constantly. We finish pouring the rest of the milk and with a wooden spoon we stir until reaching the desired thickness in the sauce. Once the sauce is ready, 5. Add salt and pepper to taste. 6. To assemble it, We spread a little oil in a refractory. Then we put the first of pasta covering the floor of the refractory. We add bolognese, so we add bolognese sauce and mozzarella cheese. We repeat the previous step a second time. To finish, we cover with pasta sheets and this a little of the liquid of the sauce and grate cheese covering all the preparation. 8. We take the oven preheat to 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes, taking care not to burn too much. And we have a delicious lasagna. Thanks very much for all. Bye bye.